What's up Saab fans, and welcome back to another video. Today is a really special one. As you might have seen in the thumbnail of this video, we are going to pick up some parts and I'm gonna take you on the journey when we do it. So first up, we're going down south in Sweden to Mannes Bilservice in Sölvesborg, translated Mannes Workshop, which I have done a video on previously. They do amazing work on Saab 95 NGs and Saabs overall, but in particular Saab 95 NGs. So we are going to go there, meet the guys, pick up some parts and hopefully see some cool cars. So stay tuned. So when I left work 1 hour ago, the weather wasn't so nice, but we are soon there at Mannes, and look at the weather here. So we are soon going to turn, and we will be there in a second. Now I'm on my way home. Thanks so much to Mannes Bilservice for hooking me up with some stuff, and always a pleasure to talk to them, both Philip and Oscar this time. Awesome, got some tips on how to do some stuff and some plans for the future. Always nice to talk to Saab enthusiasts. So I got a complete Aero front bumper with me home, together with some other goodies. So now we are going to go home, unload these, and tomorrow I will do my regular day job, my work, and straight after work we are going to go on a mission to find some more parts. So see you tomorrow. So welcome back to day 2 of this go-getter trips. So today we are aiming for Tibro. It's located in the middle of Sweden, and we're going to Junkyard, and we are going to pick up some new seats for the 95 NG. There are some comfort seats which are like black leather, full black leather. So for the 95 NG you have some or had some different options regarding the seats. It's the standard ones that I have in the car right now, which isn't super good. The quality is pretty poor, and the heaters in the seats doesn't work, which is a super common problem on the 95 NG. And also the electricity for the passenger seat doesn't work, so you can't adjust the height of the right one. So I have made a deal with this Junkyard to get a pretty good price, and judging by the pictures, they seem to look pretty nice. So we will see when we get there. But they leave a 14-day guarantee that everything should work. Electricity and the heated seats. So as we all know, it's a super common problem that the heaters don't work. So we will see, but we will purchase them and get full electricity, height adjustability and the length of the... So this will be really good upgrade for quite a cheap price. And this was the only one I found out in all of the junkyards in Sweden. So, but regarding the options that you had for the 9.5 engine, you had the textile seats, which is in my car. You had the comfort leather seats, which I'm purchasing right now. You had the sport options, which is in the Aero from factory. It was an option. So you have the ventilated seats without fan, and you have the ventilated seat with fan, and you have the premium leather sport seats, which is super rare, super hard to find, and super expensive if you would manage to find one. So we will be satisfied with just going with the comfort seats and leather. That will be an upgrade that's very suited for this project. So there's a lot more to come to this project, so I don't want to go like bananas on the interior or the seats. Just the next step over textile will be good enough. So enjoy the ride, and I will see you at the junkyard. At the first road trip we picked up the Aero front bumper from Mannes Bilservice, and together with the bumper comes also a lot of details. For example, the grille, you got some new lights, and all these parts are brand new, Saab original. I also got some new mirror glass, because that was really tacky done by the previous owner. I think I got it still here somewhere. They had bought this cheap crap stuff from Biltema. You cannot even see when you're driving through this mirror. I wouldn't even call it a mirror. Yes, you can see it right now, but it doesn't work. It's definitely not the same as the original, and the original ones are expensive as I don't know what, but you need them. So it was just to pay up. So the plans for the front bumper is we gotta drill some holes for the parking sensors, and you can see on the inside, let's come around, you can see right here there are different markups where the sensors should sit, so it's real easy to drill them out. And we also need to cut out this part right here for the washers, the headlight washers, and my plan for this is to do it a little bit unique, so I'm gonna do carbon fiber in the middle section, and everything else will be painted white as it should be. And I'm not gonna do it myself this time. I'm gonna leave it to a professional because I want the best result I could get. Next up we got the interior, and this was a real bargain, and it was the only one available right now. Maybe in the future there will be more, as more cars will be going to the junkyard, but I'm really happy I got hold of this one, and the condition is pretty good. Of course it's a little bit dirty and dusty, but no cracked seams as it usually is on the Saabs or the 9.5s, and you sit really well in this. So I just hope that the heated seats works, and the back seat is also pretty nice. It's great to have leather when you're driving around with the kids. And what I didn't pick up now, I have ordered these before. These are authentic Lorinser RS8 20-inch wheels, 20-inch by 9, and the offset is 38, and the rims actually came with authentic Lorinser spacers. These are 7mm spacers that bolt on to the back of the rim, but I'm not going to use these ones. I'm going to do some spacers from spacer.se, because the bolt pattern on these rims are 5 times 112, because usually these rims are made for Mercedes, and the Saab has, the newer Saabs has 5 times 120, so it's the same bolt pattern as BMW and some other brands. But we are going to convert this and get the perfect fitment. Together with this setup right here, we are going to do some insignia coilovers. I have debating back and forth with myself. I'm super hyped on getting air suspension for this car, and I thought if I did that, I would be the first one in the world that put bags on a Saab 9.5 NG. But talking to some experts, there are apparently 2 persons before that has done it, so it's not that exclusive anymore. But at least I have not seen anyone, so it would be awesome, but it costs a lot and I don't know how good the reliability is. So for now I'm gonna do a coilover setup, and it's going to look fantastic. So yeah, that's probably it for now. You can have a little check on the rims so you know it's authentic. Here is the Lorinser tag. This is probably the most expensive wheels I have ever bought. You can look this up on like eBay and stuff, and you will see what these rims cost new. Of course they are not brand new right now. They have some slight curb rash to them, some of them. So in the next video I'm going to paint these wheels as I did with my previous 20-inch rims. But this time we have some filler, and we got more paint this time. 1 can extra of paint. And we also got some clear coat, which I didn't do previous on the last one. So the result of just using the paint came out like matte finish or a satin finish. For this car I want to have that super rich shine to them. And also I have been debating on getting another color than silver. Maybe do a gunmetal gray or do a black, but I think a black wheel just disappears. And I went with these wheels because I want a turbine design, because it symbolizes the heritage of Saabs, and there are a lot of other turbine wheels. For example, Saab has their own, which I don't really like because I think the spokes are too tight together. And you got like new Teslas, you got new Volkswagens that has this design. But I think these Lorenzo rims look absolutely the best of all turbine wheels. So we will go with this one, and hopefully we will end up with a Saab 95 NG Aero that's pretty unique in the design, but still has the touch of the heritage. So I think this will be really good. And I could mention pretty quickly also to all my OG followers and to the new subscribers, I know it has been requested to do a T5 T7 build again, but in English, because the first one I did was in Swedish. So it's coming up. I just recently got the T5 piston and rods. So these are going to be machined 1.1 millimeters off the top. So we can run the T7 gasket. So this will be a video to look out for in the future videos. These are going on my silver 95 Aero, the track day build. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please comment if you have any questions. I hope you liked it a lot. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you know when a new video is being released. And yeah, that's it for now. Next video will be painting the wheels. It will not be in super detail because I have done that previously, but also I want to show you what I'm doing. So the next video will be the wheels, and I bought some new tires that's coming up. So I'm gonna paint them, then let them cure for a couple of days. Then I will hit them with a ceramic coating, so I will have a really good resistance to like degreaser and chemicals and everything that could occur to the wheels. So after the wheels, probably the next thing will be installation of the interior. I have bought some tint for the car, so I hope that will arrive very soon, because that is something that I'm really hyped about, to see how it just captures the whole windows all together with the black A-pillar and everything. So huge thank you to Mannes for the support, and yeah, look out for the next video and I will see you there. Bye!